So every few months I get the random urge to dye one of my wigs, and what I usually do is I just go on Pinterest and find a picture that I want to recreate and see how close I can get my wig to look like the wig in the picture. And a part of my process is just taking a small section at the back and just testing out the colors and see if I like how it's blending, if I don't. And whenever I'm dyeing a wig, I'm always afraid that I'm gonna put too much of one color and not enough of the other. So when I started, I was just doing section by section. Then I did an ombre effect and I liked it, but for some strange reason it started to turn green, and I wasn't using any of the green at this point. All I was using was the yellow, but I guess it was just, I don't know. But this is how it turned out. Go to part 2 if you want to see how it looks styled. Me recreating a Pinterest wig, and I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say, Shirozy, that wig looks insane. But I looked at it and I said no. The wig just needed a little bit of shaping and a little bit of love, and the wig